How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny biceps for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So first exercise we are going to do for the biceps is going to be a bicep twist. This is really good for the biceps. $50, keep going. $75, keep going. Okay, so that's 100 reps. We're then going to take our arms and we're going to do this. This is a bicep curl that also works the forearms too. It's really, really good for getting veiny biceps. Okay, so that's 30 reps. We're then going to do a finishing exercise. So get your hands and squeeze as hard as you can. This is great to do for the biceps, but you have to squeeze really, really hard. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost there. Okay, perfect. So that is the end of the first set. I want you to take a 1-minute break. I want you to redo it. In total, I want you to do 8 sets. So this is very high volume, but that's what you want if you want to get veiny biceps. You can't just do a 1 or 2-minute workout and call it a day. You have to do high volume. This workout should take you about 20 to 30 minutes to do. You can do this workout every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday through Sunday, every single day of the week, you can do this workout. I've been doing this workout for years, probably 7, 8 years. Here's the thing, if you can only get 3 to 4 sets and your arms are sore, stop for the day, don't hurt yourself. The next day though, try to get 5, 6, 7 sets until, like every day, just keep adding an extra set until you get all 8 sets. Eventually, your body will be able to handle all the volume. Please, if you can, comment in the comment section. Let me know how many sets you guys were able to get. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.